All right, Chris, first day. Quick fire time. You ready?
I'm ready.
Who's the first person you told you got the job?
I called my wife Amelia.
What'd you say?
I think we may be moving to Detroit.
What's your most used smartphone app?
Well, Teams. I'm a little addicted to Teams. And personally, TeamSnap, for any of those parents out there, I coach our daughter's basketball team, so I'm very used to giving our parents updates on TeamSnap.
Beach house or mountain retreat?
Ooh, mountain retreat. I love skiing.
What was your first job?
I was a dishwasher at a Italian deli.
What was the number one lesson you learned from that job?
Hard work every single day.
What's a hill you'll die on?
Preparation. My grandfather used to say, winging it is for the birds. So you got to be prepared. You got to be intentional.
What will drive your team crazy about you?
You know, I love a whiteboard. I love understanding where we're going, why we're doing things, what the outcome is we're after. Yeah, get ready, Kelly. We're going to be doing some whiteboarding. I brought some markers, so I got my markers.
What's something that would surprise people about you?
My wife says I have a pretty good singing voice.
That's a setup if I ever heard one. Can we get a bar?
No.
Of course.
No.
When people think of you as a CEO, what 3 words do you want to come to mind?
Accountable, visible, and client-centric. I'm Chris Layden, and I'm the CEO of Kelly. Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap.
Okay. Nice job, team.